Hello everyone, here is a question based on spin-only magnetic moment. What is the calculated spin-only magnetic moment for chromium 2 plus ion? We know that the atomic number of chromium is 24. We need to be a little bit careful about the electronic configuration of chromium and copper because half-filled or completely filled d orbitals are more stable than those with the one electron less. So let us first write down the electronic configuration of chromium and then we will go for chromium 2 plus. So in the condensed notation, it is argon that has 18 electrons and then 4s2 3d4. This is actually the expected one, not the actual one. So in the actual one, it is 4s1 3d5, because when we write 3d5 it is half filled. The d orbitals are half filled because in total d orbitals can take up to 10 electrons and now we have 5 electrons and therefore this is half filled. It is completely okay to write it this way as well, 3d5 4s1 instead of writing 4s1 3d5, because when chromium gets ionized, it is the 4s electrons we lose first. For example, if it is chromium plus, then the d electrons doesn't go away. It is the 4s electron we lose first and therefore it is completely okay to write this way. And now for chromium 2 plus, we will have how many electrons? We will have 22 electrons and therefore in condensed notation, this will be argon once again 18 electrons and 3d4. This means that we have 4 unpaired electrons. Therefore, the n value is equal to 4. We know that the formula to calculate spin-only magnetic moment mu is equal to square root of n times n plus 2 Bohr magneton, where n is the value of the unpaired electrons and therefore 4 plus 2 6, 6 times 4 is 24. Therefore, mu is square root of 24 Bohr magneton. This should be slightly, square root of 24 should be slightly less than 5 and therefore 4.90 Bohr magneton. This means that option 1 is correct.